Welcome student. Today I would like to tell you about the four level laser system. So four level laser system is also known as He-Ni laser. He-Ni laser means helium neon laser. The full form of this laser is helium neon laser. So what is the four laser system? So four level laser system, it is called because it has the four level. One is ground state, another is intermediate state, third level is metastable state, and fourth level is excited state. So these are the four levels. So what is the problem with the three level laser? So in three level lasers, many times the photon of laser light is absorbed by the atoms present in the ground state. So the continuous emission of laser beam is interrupted. So this problem is overcome by this four level system, because here the lasing transition or laser action is take place between the metastable states and the intermediate states. So the atoms present in the ground state never absorb the photon of laser light. So this problem is overcome with the help of this four level system. So all the working systems are same, just like as a three level system, but here the active medium is used a helium neon gas. The gas mixture of helium and neon gas is used as a active medium, and Al2O3 and Cr2O3 are also used in active medium, but which are very less, that is 0.05% only. So these four level systems, four level laser system is consist of a discharge quartz tube in which the helium and neon gas are used in the proportion of 7:1. And the application of this four level laser system is that it is used in laboratory experiment to produce the interference and diffraction pattern, or it is used in optical communication to transmit the message for a moderate distance without any fiber. So these are the application of this He-Ni laser. And what is the working of this He-Ni laser? So just like as a three level, atoms are present in the ground state, which is absorbs the photon of radiation of frequency nu02 equal to the E2 minus E0 upon H. So when the optical pumping process is start, then this photon is absorbed by the atoms present in the ground state, which is jump to the excited state. So here the atoms is in excited state, so it is not stay for a longer time, and it jumps after the 10 to the minus 8 second approximately. This process is known as the spontaneous emission, and this is a radiation less process whose frequency nu is equal to this energy gap between the E2 and E2 minus E1. And after that the spontaneous emissions occurs. After the spontaneous emission, the stimulated emissions occurs, which produce the laser action. And spontaneous emission means the emitted photon, that means the stimulated emission means the emitted photon which is caused by the incident photon. That means the force emission of incident photon is called the stimulated emission, and this is take place in between the metastable states and the intermediate state. And the photon which is jumps to the ground state from the intermediate state to ground state, whose frequency nu0 equal to the E dash minus E0 upon H, but this is the radiation less process. So the atoms are present in the ground states never absorbs the photon of laser light. So this is a continuity of laser action take place in the 4 level laser system. Thank you very much for watching this video.